Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so we get notified every single time I post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is about Mavic Air 2. We're gonna explore it as always and see what it's good for. It has ultra clear details and an enhanced HDR while it has a cinematic content. The ultra clear details is basically one 2-inch image sensor, a 4K 60 FPS video, and a 48 MP photo. The enhanced HDR is a photo, video, panorama, and a cinematic content is a 8K hyperlapse quick shot. It flies longer. So with a 34-minute max flight time and a 240-minute max RC battery life, it gives you a guarantee of flying more and for more time. The fly farther and then see more clear. So the since 2.0 10 km 1080p 30 fps video transmission. It flies smarter and safer. So with the APS 3.0 obstacle avoidance, the Mavic Air 2 takes power and portability to the next level. It offers advanced features in a compact form factor, the intelligent shooting functions, and excellent image quality that put the aerial masterpiece within reach. Its safer, smarter flight enables you to up your game while fully enjoying the creative process. So with the 48 MP photo, 4K 60 FPS video, 34-minute max flight time, and an HDR photo video panorama, it has a 10 km 1080 video and a transmission, while it has a focus track and an 8K hyperlapse. The next level content. So the master creative aerial shoots thanks to effortlessly smooth 4K 60 FPS video. The distinct-like flat color profile returns more information for post-processing. The HEVC video codec records more images, informations, use less storage, and preserves the dynamic range and the detail of your footage, ensuring next level content. All in the details. So with a 1.1/2-inch CMOS sensor, the Mavic Air 2 captures impressive 48 MP photos. It gets ready to take your aerial content to the next level. The 48 MP camera supports a high megapixel, the count that allows the wavy detail even when you zoom in an image. Optimized capture. So the Mavic Air 2 features Smart Photo, which integrates scene recognition, hyperlight, and HDR into one mode for optimal results. Scene recognition optimizes different camera parameters for various scenes and supports intelligent recognition of 5 categories: sunsets, skies, grass, snow, and tree. Now let's talk about the weak lighting condition. So let's say we're somewhere that is like a weak lighting condition. The hyperlight optimized photos taken in low light condition, resulting in less noise and enhanced clarity. Now let's say we're talking about the strong lighting conditions. So in a strong lighting condition, the HDR significantly improves the dynamic range, adjusting the exposure parameters and layering shots for more vibrant and high quality photos. The HDR panorama. So you can see the whole picture. The Mavic Air 2 offers DJI most advanced panorama mode with a higher dynamic range, and colors that are vivid and incredibly accurate. Intelligent features. Capture cinematic shots. Mavic Air 2 combines a powerful camera with the intelligent shooting mode for stunning results. Its creative aerial photography has never been this easy. So focus track. It masters the skies. Professional quality footage is effortless thanks to the focus track. This is easy to use suite of intelligent tracking modes including Active Track 3.0, Spotlight 2.0, and a Point of Interest 3.0. Now Active Track 3.0, we're gonna explore it a little bit more and really see where it comes from. So following the subjects while avoiding obstacles is smoother than ever with the latest version of DJI Active Track technology, with better pathfinding and faster and more accurate prediction of lost objects. This technology keeps your subject in the center of the frame even if they move behind a tree. So fly freely while the camera remains locked on the subject with the convenient mode. Simply select your subject and fly. With the PY 3.0, it improves the capability of PY 2.0, especially the recognition of flat surfaces, where in the PY 2.0, we kind of lost the target and the tracking. So it improved feature that does not have that problem anymore, and it also now is able to dynamically track objects like people, cars, and boats. Now let's talk about the A-scale hyperlapse, time and movement. So the Mavic Air 2 supports hyperlapse in 8 scale, allowing you to wrap time and space for especially stunning footage. Best of all, you can achieve this shot without the complex post-processing. You can choose from free, circle, course select, and waypoint modes. Select the shooting location, and the DJI Fly-Up will do the rest. The imagination simplified, so it captures cinematic video clips automatically with a quick shot. With just a few taps, Mavic Air 2 plans and flies complicated area routine for a professional quality shot. It adds music, effects, and filters with a super intuitive story template, so you can share your masterpiece directly with the social media. Flight safety and safer flight for stunning content. So OCO Scenes 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 10 km, and you can also deliver 1080 FHD resolution live stream. It directly from the drone's camera, you can enjoy more freedom and for exploring and more clarity for the perfect shot. 2.0 5.8 GHz dual frequency. Reliable signal, smooth flight. So the Mavic Air 2 supports 2.4 5.8 GHz dual frequency communication and automatically switches to the best channel with the lowest interference in real time. This significantly improves the aircraft anti-interference ability in challenging environments, increase flight safety. So with the 2.4 GHz, you can see how it is in the 5.8 GHz. Battery and flight. It flies longer, so you stay in air long enough to get the perfect capture with an impressive battery life up to 34 minutes and pull off an epic fast-paced shot with a max flight speed of 68 kph in sport mode. That's like pretty good for the size of it actually. So backward, it has a vision sensor accurate to 23.6 meters. Downward, it has a vision sensor infrared sensor that auxiliary right assists with the visual positioning, safe landing, and visibility in the air. It can be turned on and off manually. The forward, vision sensor and accurate up to 22 meters. Now, obstacle avoidance. You fly safer. If Mavic Air 2 perceives its environment in the direction forward, backward, downward, and also light improves visibility, and the extra layer of security that obstacle avoidance provides is ideal for pushing the limits of what is possible. Now it has an advanced pilot assistance system, so it utilizes an advanced mapping technology for smooth following and a reliable obstacle avoidance in complex scenarios. The obstacle avoid performance and automatic flight planning has dramatically improved compared to the previous generation, and is increasing safety and providing more options. And that's the reason, if you even have the old version, we recommend you come and get the new one because it has gotten much more better than the old one. The effortless editing. So the DJI Fly app makes creating flawless videos more convenient than ever. It integrates the editing suite for DJI Mimo app, granting access to manual setting, advanced functions, and innovative templates to create professional composition in seconds. Now let's empowering creativity. We're going to talk about that. So it's designed for pilots. The newly designed remote control features an ergonomic design for more comfortable grip and boasts an impressively long battery life for 240 minutes. The new clamp makes attaching a smartphone fast and easy, while integrated antennas significantly improve users' experience. The optimal option. The Mavic Air 2 offers 2ND filter sets that help control exposure and provide more creative options. The ND1664-256 set is helpful for adjusting shutter speed and in extreme lighting conditions, while the ND4832 set enables vivid images even when it has a low ISO value. Mavic Air 2 up your game, and then it's $799 USDs. Before we go, please make sure to check out this Amazon link. You never know, you might end up buying your own. Plus, guys, Black Friday is like really close to us, and then Christmas also is near. So, come on, guys, it's a pretty good gift to get for your teenagers, for your family, for your friends, for your loved ones. So just like go check it out. You never know, you might actually end up buying it. The resources we used was www.dji.com, and we give them credit for their amazing work. We put the Amazon link below in our description, so if you didn't catch it before, don't worry about that, and we'll also put the resources down below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you every single day. If you have any ideas of what you want to see next or any comments, please make sure to comment down below so we can get in contact with you. Have a very nice rest of the day. Bye.